In this video, I'll show you how to watch movies together, long distance relationship. This is the only tutorial you need to watch. So what you need to do, you need to go to your app store. I'm currently in my iOS. You need to download the Rave Party, Netflix Telepathy. So once you have downloaded and installed it, you need to create an account. Then I'm going to open it right here. So what you need to do now, you need to tap on create private room. Tap on it. You need to create a private room. So let me say if you want to watch a movie together with your girlfriend or with your babe, what you need to do, you need to come on here. You can just type in I and my love. Yeah. So you put love emoji. Then you tap on create room. So only you and your girlfriend can be able to access this room. So you need to choose a video service, either YouTube, Netflix, or Prime Video, the one you guys want to watch. So you guys should both sign into any of them. So you need to go back. Then you need to tap on this. You will see copy link. So once you copy this link, you will share this link to your girlfriend. So this link, this Weaver me.join room. So you share this link to your girlfriend. And once you share it to her, only two of you can be able to be watching movie right here inside this room. So this I can basically do this. Remember, you need to add a video for watching once you have signed in any of your accounts here. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you share this video to people that need to see this. This is the only tutorial you need to watch on how you can be able to watch movies together, long distance relationship. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the very next video.